Well, this is the brand new Weir Bridge. Took less than 2 years to make. Since 2022 they started. The old one I've been across the new, well, the old one's over there, which is now closed. And you have seen me going across the old one. This is the Mount Crosby Weir. The old bridge will now serve its purpose for pedestrians and cyclists, so it's not a total write-off. The original Mount Crosby Weir Bridge was constructed in 1926 to carry coal across the river by tramcar to the coal-fired pumping station. In 1927, large floods caused the partial collapse of the structure. It was repaired the same year and has remained largely unmodified, except for minor upgrades and maintenance. After only about 2 years, this latest bridge was constructed. Quite nice. Very, very quick build. Faster than most builds, that's for sure. Anyway, short one there. The new weir at Mount Crosby. The main reason for the new bridge was the old one was somewhat compromised by the amount of floods we've had. The Weir Bridge serves as a bypass for people during these floods, because Colleges Crossing nearby, as I've shown you in another video, very frequently floods, and whether it's a major flood or just through rising water, it does not look like they will ever build a bridge there. So this is an important bypass to get from Ipswich to Brisbane and vice versa. Check out my linked video where I take you for a tour around the waterways of southeast Queensland. Well, this is Colleges Crossing, where that sign nearly was underwater just over a week ago. There's the bridge, about ready to be open in a day or so, and the water came right up to there. And in fact, after they'd partially restored the area, a mere couple of years later, it was once again flooded, destroying all the work they'd done. Well, just done a U-turn, and after stopping at the toilet, quite convenient, and I'll just show you the old bridge, which apparently is going to be reopened. Might as well call it Twin Bridges. Okay, so there's the new one we just came across. Next door is the old one that I've been across before. Hope you can see that. I'll stick the cat thing out the window. I'm always so nervous when I hold a phone or camera out of a car window. Funny that. Anyway, there it is. Little short video, and yeah, now you can go across it if you live in the area. Cheers. Off to have lunch.